Alright, this section here on the FX Gladiator Mk2, we're going to remove the regulator. Alright, this adapter here has to be removed. Again, I use the 15/16 wrench. And at times when the manufacturer put this on, they put it pretty tight. So you may have to put this on a vise to loosen this piece here. There's an O-ring here and an O-ring there. Alright, would you grab this regulator, and sometime you'll see there's a washer there just for, I guess they put there for space clearance. What I do is I get a needle nose, yank the regulator out. Right, inside there's nothing else to pull, it's just the regulator. Alright, while we're here, we're going to remove the valve. And it is, what size this is? It's 5 mil Allen. And you pull this out, see what pieces that come out. There's an O-ring here, a seal assembly. When you have it like this, all that came out is this piece. What you have here is your spring retainer, and there's an O-ring here to seal the valve tail end. Alright, what you will need is what thing will come out is the spring. If the valve doesn't come out, you get a little long tweezer. This tweezer, lightly grab it and pull it out. There's your valve, in case you want to replace it, because there's an O-ring here that seals the blast. When it opens, you want to channel the pressure to the transfer port to the barrel, and the hammer hits this open, so it keeps this, prevent the air escaping towards the hammer side, right? Because the bore here, you want to seal it when it opens and closes. So that's what I'm talking about. When you don't have that much pressure, the hammer could hit this and dislodge it, and it won't go back in the hole, the chamber it's supposed to go in. So you want enough pressure there to open and close without disengaging the valve. If not enough pressure here on this side to keep it in its chamber. Alright, catch you next video. Alright, this video I'm going to cover how to remove, disassemble the regulator on FX Impact. I have a brass shim over the nut on a vice grip, and I got it on a chuck to make sure it doesn't move, so it has equal torque, doesn't damage the body. Just and if you don't have a chuck, man, you gotta find something to hold that baby, because this brass piston is Loctited on. There's your piston. Take it off, the vice grip, and I have this brass shim coiled up around the nut, because if you don't want it damaged and looking ugly, you need to protect it. And see all this white residue, that's a Loctite. Alright, I want to replace this 2 O-ring and inspect the seat. If I see it's good, I'll leave it alone. If not, I'll take a shim cut and make it smooth again. Alright, I like taking it out this way because if I had the reg pressure set perfectly, I don't want to disturb the level washer or spring washer and keep it everything and the setting here. I don't want to disturb it, keep it the way it is. And when I reassemble this, and I took a measurement from the body and to the other end. Let me take it out. So when it's in there like this, I took a measurement from top of this brass piece to this shoulder here, so I know how far I need to screw it in. Alright, when you need to go inside, clean it. Alright, and clean it. Make sure you clean it here for O-ring surface here and inside there, and thoroughly remove the thread lock residue and remove the O-ring. Inspect the sealing surface, make sure there's no burr or foreign matter, corrosion, and reinstall the O-ring. Lube it up and you reassemble. Alright, we'll catch you in the next video.